morning, y'all. Welcome to my channel. You see Ricky and Lucy popping in. I had the door shut, but they're ready to go out this morning, and they're not being very patient with me. Now, I guess you know I didn't have Monday morning coffee yesterday or any kind of video yesterday. To be honest, yesterday I just kind of, well, I didn't even wake up to 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I've been having a lot of problems lately. And so I wanted to come on and give a little update and share what's going on in my life, because quite a few of you commented or, contacted me, and so I want to let you know what's going on. But I couldn't let anybody know really what was going on until I talked to my daughter first. Not that many of you know her, but, I just felt like I needed to talk to her first. So I guess it started a few weeks ago. I've had some comments about, that they thought my face was swollen. I looked swollen and stuff. And the truth of the matter is I am. And so I just haven't been feeling well lately. I've had a lot of stress on me. You guys know that. And stress is not good for somebody with lupus, because stress really makes the lupus worse, because it stresses the body up. The immune system is already overactive, and when you get really stressed, then the immune system starts kicking in even more so. And when the immune system kicks in, then the lupus goes crazy. I don't know how else to explain it. If you don't know what lupus is an immune deficiency disease, and basically it is overactive immune system, and it attacks your organs in your body and different things like that, because it thinks it's killing you or whatever, so it's going to kill that first, which is what kills people with lupus. Usually you die from heart attack, different things like that. So I've been very fortunate and over the last couple of years with it, but I guess because I just have a lot of the undue stress that I'm under right now, and the fact that I haven't been able to get back on my medication. The doctor had wanted me to be on medication, but we couldn't get it. I take Plaquenil when I'm on my medication, which is the hydroxychloroquine drug that they are giving to COVID patients. And because they've used up such a vast supply, it's just not readily available. So my doctor is still wanting to put me on another drug that was just developed and approved by the FDA called Benestil, yeah, something like that. Benestil, something like that. Anyway, it's a new drug, and it's just it is very expensive because it's in short supply. In some ways, because people that were on Plaquenil and Aradel are now taking Benestil, and so it's just a vicious cycle. But in saying all of that, my numbers have been elevated. My creatinine numbers were awful, and when I went to the doctor this past week, I had some tests done. I got them back last week, and I am in kidney failure, and so I need to get on some meds. But if you're retired and you have Social Security, or you have Medicare, or on disability and you have Medicare, there's a time period when, for prescriptions and stuff, that you're in what they call a donut hole. And my insurance, although I have disability, doesn't pay for all my prescriptions anyway. But when you're in a donut hole, they don't pay really anything on your prescription. I think you get like a little discount or whatever. But this medicine the doctor wants me on is $400 a month. It's $300 a month with GoodRx. So I've just decided I can't take it. I can't, I can't do it. But I'm just doing a lot of praying, and I'm asking you for your thoughts and prayers, please, on this. And I I am taking methotrexate, which is another biological drug they use for chemo and different things like that. But so far it's not working, but it takes longer to work. But I only have a couple of weeks to get my kidney situation under control or get it turned around. And if not, then I'll have to start dialysis. And if I start dialysis, most likely I will not be able to come off dialysis. I'll have to get a kidney transplant, which in itself is another whole ball of yarn. You know, I talked to my daughter this week. She said, "Mom, I don't know where we get the money, but you know, I'll give you one of my kidneys." And so I'm praying that it doesn't come to that. Also, my white blood cell count numbers are off. For those of you know me, know my backstory and stuff, you know that I have lymphoma, and every once in a while it'll pop back up. So we're just praying that the white blood cells are up because from another infection or something, because I do got something else going on in my body, and I don't know quite what it is, but so they're still running tests and all that kind of stuff. So that's basically what's going on. I don't feel well. I'm trying to, you know, what they say, fake it until you make it, and I'm trying to. You know, I'm still concerned about my situation here. I wound up cheating my rent to pay the bills this month because other things that are going on. So I still have those sale things I have, the Halloween junk journal kits, and then the mini album. I can't pick everything up. I'll lose this mini album for sale. It's quite a nice little mini album. And I'm working on some other things to sell. Now the junk journal kits, I think I had $25 plus shipping on them. But if you ordered the day that I came out, it was going to be $20 plus shipping. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say $25 shipped on those. And then this was $75 shipped. And I'm going to lower the price to $65 shipped. So I just really need to, well, I need to get rid of some stuff, and I need to do whatever I have to do to take care of myself. I am putting together some junk journals, and you know, if you would like a journal or a print journal or anything like that, let me know, because I can custom make them for you. Same thing with mini albums. I love doing those. So, you know, I'm trying not to be prideful, and but I really hate asking for help, and God knows that He's working on me, but I like to give something in return. So, you know, but like, you know, card sets, different things like that. I'm gonna try to put some things together. Now, Lori Seabrook and I are opening a store together, and I don't have all the little details yet, but as soon as we get it together, I'm going to link that on my videos, and you can go directly to our store. And so that's exciting for me. And then if you would like to help me with anything at all, and you'd like to, I would say buy me a cup of coffee. I'm not sure how that thing works. I haven't gotten any response to that. But I will leave my PayPal link below. And if you would like to help me at all out, then I will definitely send you something. But the Halloween kits are still available, and like I said, the mini album is still available. So, and I will link all that below in the description box for you. And that's kind of where we are. I have 2 more videos coming out today. One is my Stampin' Up! Rewards that I got from hosting a party for Deb Howe. Hi, Deb, and thank you so much. And thank you to all who bought from my party. And then another one is a swap that I received from Honeybees, Sunshine Honeybees, and Mandalay Cards and More. They hosted a swap, a rosette swap. and I received that. So I have those 2 videos coming out. And then I don't know that I'll have anything else out until Thursday. I'll have the hashtag 24 weeks of Christmas coming out on Thursday. So I don't know how much predictability or schedule, I'll be doing videos. It just depends on how I feel. I'm tired, and even though I haven't done anything, it's just like I can sleep for 8 hours and wake up exhausted. And so that's kind of where I am. Me and my water bottles. I'm drinking tons of water to try to get to flush it. Try to get things working. I don't even know if it will or not, but like I said, I'm praying that the methotrexate will kick in, because I truly can't afford the other medicine, and I don't want to go on dialysis, and I definitely don't want a kidney transplant, because I can't afford that. So anyway, I just appreciate your love and support from all of you. You guys never cease to amaze me. And I just want to say thank you and tell you how much I love each and every one of you. And I pray for you guys too. So I will see you all again in just a little bit with the couple of videos I have for today. And then I may have one tomorrow, but I don't know if I will. But I definitely will have one on Thursday for 24 weeks of Christmas. All right, guys, thank you so much. And I'll see you all soon. Don't forget, if you're not yet a member of my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to tap the bell so you can be notified when I upload a video. Alright guys, thank you, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.